we step into the world of magic, we begin to notice how deeply we are influenced by the energies around us. Our homes, our relationships, the collective mood of the world. A protection spell is not about fear. It is about creating sacred boundaries, a gentle shield that allows you to feel safe, rooted, and held. This simple protection ritual is cozy, powerful, and can be performed by anyone, no matter your level of experience. Begin by choosing a quiet corner of your home where you feel most at ease. Dim the lights, light a candle, and perhaps burn incense or diffuse essential oils. Scents like rosemary, sage, or cedar are traditional allies for protection. Place a soft cloth or scarf on the floor or your altar and lay out your tools with intention. For this protection spell, you will need a white or black candle. White for purity, black for banishing negative energy. A small bowl of salt to cleanse and protect. A crystal such as obsidian, black tourmaline, or amethyst. And some protective herbs like rosemary, bay leaf, or sage. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. With each inhale, imagine drawing in calm and strength. With each exhale, release worry and heaviness. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet, sinking into the earth, anchoring you in safety. Using your finger, wand, or simply your imagination, trace a circle of light around your space. Picture it glowing with soft golden or silver light, creating a cozy cocoon of energy that nothing unwanted can cross. Whisper softly, "Only love may enter here. Only love may stay." Light your candle and gaze into the flame. Say aloud or silently, "I call upon the fire to protect and guide me." Sprinkle a pinch of salt around the base of the candle or in a small circle around you, saying, "I anchor this space with purity and strength." Hold your chosen crystal in your hands. Feel its weight and coolness. Visualize it glowing with protective energy, forming a shield around your body. If you are using herbs, gently rub them between your palms to release their scent and power. Whisper your intention clearly. "I am safe. I am shielded. I am held in light." When you feel ready, take a final deep breath and blow gently over your candle and tools, sending your energy into them. Sit quietly for a few moments, basking in the sense of calm and safety you have created. Then extinguish the candle, thanking the flame for its protection. Keep your crystal near you, on your desk, in your pocket, or under your pillow. If you used herbs, tuck a sprig of rosemary or bay leaf into your bag or doorway as a charm. Let the ritual remind you that your energy is sacred and your boundaries are strong. This simple protection ritual is not just about keeping unwanted energy away. It is about nurturing a home for your spirit, a sanctuary where you can thrive. Return to this ritual whenever you need to feel safe, cozy, and supported in your own magical light.